Let's learn how to create perfect milk foam with your Gevi Espresso Machine. While the machine is in standby mode, press the steam button to initiate steam preheating. Pour cold whole milk into the milk pitcher, with the milk level not exceeding the spout. Once preheating is complete, the power button indicator and steam button indicator remain steadily lit, while all other indicator lights turn off. Turn the steam wand down over the water collection tray. Turn the switch to any steam position, and the machine will start to release steam. Any residual water is released from the steam wand. Flip the steam switch to the initial position. The machine stops producing steam immediately. Position the prepared milk pitcher beneath the steam wand. Submerge the steam tip approximately 0.39 inch below the milk surface and hold the pitcher at a 15-degree angle. With your right hand, hold the spout and base of the milk pitcher to stabilize it. Switch the left steam lever to the low steam setting. The machine begins releasing steam. Position the steam tip to lightly graze the milk surface. You'll hear a hissing sound as air is incorporated into the milk. For whole milk, this process typically lasts 5 to 8 seconds. Slowly lower the milk pitcher until the steam tip is fully submerged in the milk. This creates a stable whirlpool that breaks up large bubbles and refines the milk foam. Stop the steaming process once the milk pitcher feels too hot to hold comfortably. This will be around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, move the steam switch back to its initial position to halt steam production. Always wipe down the steam wand with a clean, damp cloth immediately after use. This removes any leftover milk residue. Turn the steam wand above the drip tray. Turn the switch to any steam position, and the machine will start to release steam. Purge the wand again to clear milk residue from the tip and inside. Flip the switch to initial position. The machine stops emitting steam immediately. You've made a cup of frothed milk with an even, fine texture and a smooth, glossy surface.